Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: affiliate marketing. You've probably heard the term thrown around, seen your favorite creators mention it, and wonder, can I actually make money doing that? The answer is a resounding yes, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started. Before we jump in, a quick but important note. I'm here to share my knowledge and experience, but this is not financial advice. Your results will depend on your own effort, research, and strategy. Always do your due diligence. Now, let's get into the good stuff. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? At its core, it's a performance-based marketing model. You, as the affiliate, promote a company's product or service. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You don't have to create the product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. Your job is to be the trusted bridge between the customer and the product. Think of yourself as a helpful guide, recommending something you genuinely believe in. The beauty of this model is its low barrier to entry. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy degree. What you do need is a platform and an audience, no matter how small it is to begin with. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, an Instagram account, a TikTok profile, a Facebook group, or even an email newsletter. The key is to have a space where you can connect with people and share valuable content. Now, let's talk about the first and most crucial step: choosing your niche. This is where so many people get stuck, but it's the foundation of your entire business. A niche is simply a specific topic or area of interest that you'll focus on. Trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for failure. Instead, you want to become the go-to person for a particular subject. So how do you pick a niche? Start with what you love. What are you passionate about? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? It could be anything: homebrewing coffee, sustainable fashion, training German shepherds, minimalist home organization, PC gaming builds, vegan bacon. The list is endless. When you're genuinely interested in your topic, creating content feels less like work and more like fun. Your authenticity will shine through, and your audience will trust you more. Once you have a few ideas based on your passions, you need to validate them. Is this a niche people are actually spending money in? A simple way to check is to go on Amazon or other online retailers and see if there are products related to your niche. Are there books, courses, or tools available? Are other creators or bloggers already making money in this space? Competition isn't a bad thing. It's often a sign that the market is healthy and profitable. Let's say you've picked your niche, for example, budget-friendly home gym equipment. Fantastic! Now, it's time to build your platform and create content. This is where you provide value asterisk before asterisk you ever ask for a sale. Your goal is to attract an audience that is interested in your niche. If your niche is home gyms, you could create content like top 5 dumbbells under $100, how to set up a gym in a small apartment, or my full body workout using only resistance bands. You're not just screaming, "Buy this." You're solving problems, answering questions, and entertaining your audience. For every piece of content that directly promotes a product, you should have several more that are purely helpful. This builds trust. When your audience sees you as a reliable source of information, they'll be much more likely to take your recommendation seriously when you do suggest a product. Okay, so you've chosen your niche and you're creating great content. How do you actually find these affiliate programs to join? There are 3 main places to look. First, there are large affiliate networks. These are massive marketplaces that connect affiliates with thousands of companies. Some of the biggest names are Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and Rakuten Marketing. Amazon Associates is often the best place to start because they sell almost everything, and people already trust Amazon. The commission rates might be lower, but it's a great way to get your feet wet. Second, many companies have their own in-house affiliate programs. If there's a specific brand or product you absolutely love and use all the time, go to their website and scroll down to the footer. You'll often find a link that says affiliates, partners, or referral program. Signing up directly with a company can sometimes lead to higher commissions and a closer relationship with the brand. Third, look for digital product marketplaces like ClickBank or Gumroad. These platforms specialize in digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software. The commissions here are often much higher than for physical products, sometimes 50% or even 75%, because there are no manufacturing or shipping costs for the seller. Now for the most important part, promoting your affiliate links ethically and effectively. The worst thing you can do is just spam your links everywhere. That's a surefire way to annoy your audience and get ignored. Instead, you want to weave your recommendations naturally into your content. For example, if you have a YouTube video reviewing a new pair of running shoes, you can talk about your experience, the pros, the cons, and who the shoe is best for. Then, in the description, you can say, if you're interested in checking out these shoes for yourself, you can find them here and include your affiliate link. You should also add a disclosure, something simple like, this description contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase at no extra cost to you. Transparency is key to maintaining trust. Another great method is to create best of lists or comparison posts. For our home gym example, an article titled, "The 5 Best Adjustable Dumbbells for 2024" is incredibly valuable to someone looking to buy. You can review each one, break down the features, and include your affiliate links for each product. This helps the consumer make an informed decision, and you get rewarded for your research. Let's recap the steps. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about and that has profit potential. 2. Build a platform and consistently create valuable content that helps your audience. 3. Find and join relevant affiliate programs through networks or directly with companies. 4. Promote your links naturally and ethically within your helpful content. It's a process, and it won't happen overnight. Building an audience and generating a consistent income with affiliate marketing takes time and dedication. There will be a learning curve. You'll need to experiment with different types of content and promotion strategies to see what resonates with your audience. But if you focus on genuinely helping people and providing real value, the income will follow. It's one of the most rewarding and sustainable ways to build an online business. Start small. Pick one platform you enjoy using. Create one piece of content this week. Find one affiliate program to join. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your affiliate marketing journey starts today. You have the ability to build something amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a clear and actionable plan to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more content on building wealth and creating financial freedom, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We're building an incredible community here at the Babalian Money Show, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.